Does Merrill Edge have trading fees? Merrill Edge, the brokerage arm of Bank of America, offers commission-free online trading for U.S. stocks and exchange-traded funds, ETFs, aligning with industry standards. However, options trades incur a fee of 65 cents per contract. For those seeking assistance, broker-assisted trades are available but come with a higher fee. Notably, Merrill Edge does not impose annual or inactivity fees, making it an attractive choice for investors mindful of account maintenance costs. A fascinating aspect is that Merrill Edge provides access to robust research and educational resources, including insights from Morningstar and Lipper, which can be invaluable for both novice and seasoned investors. Additionally, clients benefit from seamless integration with Bank of America accounts, allowing for efficient management of banking and investment activities under one platform. This integration extends to the Preferred Rewards program, where clients with qualifying account balances can enjoy perks such as discounted mortgage rates and credit card rewards bonuses. It's worth noting that while Merrill Edge offers a comprehensive suite of services, it does not support trading in certain asset classes like futures, forex, or cryptocurrencies, which may be a consideration for more advanced traders. Overall, Merrill Edge presents a compelling option for investors seeking a cost-effective and integrated banking and brokerage experience.